Hello, good afternoon. I welcome you all, become 3 students. Yesterday we learnt some important terms from a bank final account. Today we are learning the remaining terms. Term number 11, that is a rebate on bill discounted. Rebate, it means repay. The bank is repaying the discount to the customers, means bank gives the discount back to the customers. Why, how, and how it is shown in accounts, we will discuss. Rebate on bill discounted is also called unexpired discount, means discount taken in advance. That is the bank's liability, because bank has to pay that much amount of discount to the customers. Why? See, when the drawer and drawee makes a bill, we have learned this in the 12th standard as a bill of exchange. Drawer draws a bill which has the due date in the month of January 2021. Drawee accepts the bill. The drawer needs money in the month of October. The due date of the bill is in the month of January. Means 2 months before, the drawer is in need of money. Then drawer has one of the option for discounting the bill. He can give the bill into the bank for discounting. Banks takes the bills receivable from the drawer and pays money by deducting discount. Suppose the bill is of rupees 10,000. The banks takes discount rupees 200 for 2 months and gives the amount to the drawer as an advance. The bill due date is in the month of January, and drawer has to pay this amount up to the January to the bank. Either drawer or the drawee will meet the bill by paying the amount. The drawee is ready to pay in the month of November. Then drawee pays the amount of the bill to the bank, because bank bill is with the bank. So 2 months before he is paying. Then the bank has deducted the discount. That amount of discount bank pays to the customer back. That is called rebate on bill discounted. While we prepare the bank final account, this item is to be shown to the liability side of the balance sheet, and the discount taken is deducted from the interest and discount received to the profit and loss account. This is one of the term. The next term, that is a money at call and short notice. Bank keeps some amount to the other bank. Whenever the bank is needed funds or money, immediately bank gives the call to take the money. That is called money at call. Means amount kept under the heading money at call and short notice. Short notice means within the 7 days, with the short notice, bank will take the money back from the other bank. that is called money at call and short notice. Every bank keeps some amount under the heading money at call and short notice into the other bank. Then the next one, branch adjustment account. The branch adjustment account is liability as well as the assets for a bank. When the bank takes the amount, maintains the amount for the branch on behalf of branch, that is the liability. When a particular bank keeps some amount into the other bank, then bank can take that money at any time. So this is asset. Means branch adjustment account is asset or the liabilities. When the bank keeps the amount, that is assets. When bank takes the amount from the other branch, that is a liability. How it knows this? When the branch adjustment account has a debit balance, that is the assets for the bank. And when the bank branch adjustment account has a credit balance, that is the liability for the bank. Then the next one is bills for collection. Banks takes various bills from the customers and collects the amounts and deposits into the customer account. Means on behalf of client, bank may collects the amount of bills. If the drawer has no time, then he gives that bills to the banks and tells to collect the amount of bill and deposit into my account. Bank does this. So the item bill for collection, the amount of bill for collection is not assets or the liabilities of the bank. But bank does such a transaction because bank gets commission for collecting the bills. So bill for collection is just it is. The amount is not shown to the liability side or the asset side, but such transactions are happening because of bank gets commission. Okay, some important terms we learned from tomorrow's Zoom meeting. We are learning how to prepare bank final account. So I request to all BCom 3 students to attend the Zoom meeting at 11:30 sharp. Thank you. Thank you very much.